is Amrita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a very casual video. There is no planning, no organizing. Actually today I cut my hair and colored it. So I just wanted to take you through the process how I cut my hair and colored it. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So this is my hair condition right now. I colored it in May 2019. It's been more than a year. And the color is also fading and my hair become very frizzy and there are a lot of split ends. So I just thought of cutting it. But I'm not going to reduce the length. And from here, I wanted to color the hair in a burgundy color. So let's do that. Today I am going for a layer cut. Actually my hair is curly and wavy, but you cannot see those layers properly, but I just like it that way. So I'm just going for layer cut. So I have removed all the knots and making a front pony just center of your forehead. As my hair is thick, it is really difficult to manage. So I'm making one more pony so that it stays in place. I don't cut too much. So I'm making one more. So from that point I wanted to, below that band I wanted to chop. So now let's cut. These scissors I bought from Miniso. They look so pretty. So I'm struggling to cut my hair because actually I cannot see that properly. I'm very conscious that I'm recording. I have whether I was in frame or not. I don't want any sharp line, so I'm just blending in. When you cut like this, so you can blend in all those sharp lines. So that's what I'm doing. So now I'm just checking how it looks. Let's see that inverted V will come or not. Yay, can you see that? Yes. For the second layer, I'm taking hair just above my ear. If you want, you can leave it with the first step itself, but I just thought of because it came out, the first layer came out so good, I am just cutting it one more layer, that's it. Again the same step, I am making one ponytail and securing it with two bands. So this is my second layer. Now I think you can see. If you wanted to go for third layer, you can do that by taking your crown part. Now I am going for framing my face. So generally I take side partition. My go-to hairstyle is like high buns and I take side partition, so I'm just doing the same and keeping my hair away. Otherwise I'll cut that. So I'm just seeing how I wanted to frame it, how much I want. So I want it till my neck. So I'm near you, towards your face it should be short, and so I'm just cutting it cross. I think this step is self-explanatory, so that's it. So the other side also I want to do the same. So again for this side also I'm cutting it diagonally, and for this step you have to be really careful because it can change your shape of your face, complete look it will change. So be careful. And now I'm happy with the look. As I told you, I like high bun, so but I don't want to keep all my hair in the bun. Just to frame my face, I leave some hair in the side. So I'm just checking for that, and I'll cut accordingly. Now the exciting and scary part, I'm coloring my hair. So here I'm using Garnier Color Naturals color. So it's in wine burgundy shade. So let's do this. So let's see what's inside this box. It is for 180 rupees. There is one colorant and a developer and instruction manual and conditioner and a pair of gloves. So let's open and mix all these contents together. You have to take equal parts of colorant in the developer. Use plastic or glass bowl, don't use metal bowls. Actually, I don't have any plastic spoon, so I am using this, but the wooden spoon, it immediately changed the color. When I am applying, I forgot to, record. So this is how it looks. I think you can see the burgundy color. I don't think so. I think it's looking like, chocolate brown or something. But I like my hair cut. Yeah, the layer, the front layer is looking so good. This product did a pretty decent job for the price point. For 180 rupees, the output is really good, and my hair is not frizzy and dry at all. It feels like really soft, maybe because of the conditioner, but we don't know how long it will be there. I think I'll give 8 out of 10 for this, but we cannot expect the same shade which is shown in the box. I just want to cover the brown hair actually. So I think I'm pretty happy with it, the output. So that's it for today's video. Hope you all like it and enjoy watching it. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And see you all in my next video. Bye.